Foldable phones have arrived. Samsung has the pre-order figures to prove it. Yes, I saw this article, and I've been using the Z Fold 3. Of course, intimately because we put the video together. Did you try to refocus the camera when I went back there? Because I came back here now. So good luck trying to chase me around. I'm too quick for that. I've been using the Z Fold 3. You saw the video me and Will did, and we had fun with it. And I've been using it ever since, actually, with the SIM card and everything. I am having fun with it. I'm getting a lot of people asking questions. They say, hey, what's up with that? Looks cool. Should I get one? Blah, blah, blah. Your usual stuff. Well,
sure.
And then I'm curious because I'm thinking to myself, are people ready? Are we at a generation now where there's going to be more adoption, where people feel more confident because it's not as bleeding edge, it's not as fringy? Do you know what I'm saying here, Will? Mm-hmm. Where you got stressed out early because you're like, I'm going to spend $2,000. First of all, the price was higher.
Yes.
Second of all, you have reports durability issues right out the gate. People were talking about dust, and they're just like, are these things really going to fold? How long are they going to fold for? Are we folding now? Whatever, the questions.
Yeah.
And then it seems there's some greater level of confidence right now if you look at the pre-order figures. But I don't know. These are Korean numbers, and it's another survey. I mean, it's not the same as Apple's survey, but it's another. The Korea Herald reports that the two new models have accumulated 450,000 carrier reservations as of Sunday and could hit 600,000 as the pre-order period wraps up in the country today. It's estimated that another 200,000 SIM-free units have been claimed. At one local carrier, 49% of Fold 3 reservations and 57% of Flip 3 reservations are said to have come from customers aged 20 to 39, the crucial demographic.
Interesting that it's almost 50-50 for the Fold 3 and Flip 3.
People are loving that Flip thing.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. Listen, if Samsung gives me that one, because I only have this one right now, don't I? I might throw the SIM in that one just to see what it's like.
Yeah. I mean, Austin likes the Flip 3.
Austin been on the Flip since day one.
The Flip, right.
He's been on the Flip since day one. Anyway, they're saying that compared to the Z Fold 2, S21, and Note 20, we're seeing 10 times stronger demand for the upcoming Galaxy Z models. 10X, Will? Did you say 10X, Will?
That's very impressive.
Sounded to me like a hot combo.
For a Fold.
Sounded to me like they just put out a hot combo, Fold and Flip.
I'll try one of these. I'd like to.
You might try something like that.
Yeah. The Flip? Maybe the Flip?
Interesting, they included the 50% gain on the Note 20. I think now that you have the pen input over here, a lot of Note customers would be like, okay, that's my option for the pen now. Anyone who loved the pen can be over here now on this one.
Yeah.
Well, I got the later case on here too. Okay. This is Gen 1. It still needs to be modified.
Oh.
But Gen 2 this week for me, and then pre-order shipping out for everybody else.
Right on.
So latercase.com /
Is it up there?
Galaxy Z Fold. I don't even know what the / is. Promoting my own thing. I don't know what the / is. You probably got to go to Samsung Galaxy cases in the top right there. And then Z Fold. There it is. Yeah, look at that. Right there. Cyber Edition. This is the one you want. The one I'm waiting on too. Z Fold 3. Look at that. Looking real nice and slim and everything else. So you're going to get those soon anyway, if you were curious. What we got next? Oh, and by the way, so congrats to Samsung, because I love seeing the new stuff get some attention and interest from people. I'm an enthusiast, Will. I've been here for, how long I've been here?
Yeah.
No, how long I've been here?
Quite a while.
I need to know in years.
1,000.
It's a big number.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to go with 47.
No.